हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम पढ़ते हैं अपना 6th चैप्टर लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स। सो स्टार्ट विद दिस चैप्टर लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स। पहले हम इसको प्रूफ पढ़ लेते हैं कि हाउ दिस वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल। ये प्रूफ नॉर्मली एग्जाम्स में आ जाता है। देखते हैं अभी हमने क्या किया, दो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स को बनाया हुआ है। दीज आर द टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स। So both this is line L and this is line M. This angle and this angle. Suppose if you take the numbers like this is 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle and angle 4. Now we need to prove that angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So given L is parallel to M and we need to prove that angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. This we need to prove. Now see that angle 1 plus angle 2, this will be equals to 180 degree linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 2, this will be equals to linear pair. 180 degree linear pair. So this is now equation number 1. Similarly coming for this is a straight line. So angle 2 plus angle 3. So angle 2 plus angle 3, this will also be 180 degree. This is also a linear pair. So this is the equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, right hand side is equal, so left hand side will also be equal. RHS is equal, so LHS will also be equal. So now equating the LHS of both these equations, this is angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equals to angle 2 plus angle 3. So from here angle 2 got cancelled. So this is angle 1 is equals to angle 3. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3. This is now proved. Similarly coming for this, to prove that angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. So now we can take angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So this is again equation number 3, linear pair. Similarly angle 1 plus angle 4, this will be equals to angle 1 plus angle 4. So angle 1 and angle 4, this is also equals to 180 degree. Again this is equation number 4, region remaining the same, linear pair. So from 3 and 4, from equation 3 and equation 4, this right hand side is equal, so left hand side will also be equal. So equating 1 plus angle 2 will be equals to angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 4. So angle 1 and angle 1 got cancelled. So this is angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So this is proved. So this is how we will prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now coming to example 2. Example 2, page number 95. This is one of the important example from the examination point of view. So now we will see example 2 on page number 95. In figure 6.10, ray OS stands on the line POQ. So we will make this figure for this. This line is given P and this is point Q and O is somewhere here. This is the line that is RO. This is point R, and from here this is S, and from here this is now T. So this is now T, and it is given that OR and ray OT are the angle bisectors. So these are the angle bisectors now. So this angle, it is given that this angle is equals to this angle and this is equals to this angle. So these are now angle bisectors already given to us. If POS, now it is given that if angle POS is equals to x degree, so we need to find angle ROT. So angle ROT need to be find out in it. Now it is given that POQ, this is a straight line. So POQ is a straight line. Straight line. Once POQ is a straight line, so therefore this complete angle will be now 180 degree linear pair. So we can write angle POS plus angle QOS plus angle QOS. This will be equals to 180 degree linear pair. Now POS is already given x, so this can be written as x plus angle QOS. This is equals to 180 degree. Now angle QOS can be written as 180 degree minus x. So this is now equation number 1. Now similarly coming to this part, now see that this complete angle we need to find out angle ROT. So ROT angle is, now ROT angle is this one. This complete angle is the ROT, that need to be find out. Now coming to this angle ROS. So angle ROS, this will be equals to, now angle ROS, this will be equals to angle POS divided by 2, because this angle is this and this angle both are equal. It is given that OR is the angle bisector. So ये angle और ये angle दोनों बराबर हो गए. Or we can write this in other ways also. This is angle ROS plus angle SOR. This complete will be angle ROS plus angle POR plus angle POR. This is equals to angle POS, angle POS. These two angles, these are equal. So angle ROS plus this can be written as angle ROS. This is equals to angle POS. Then twice of angle ROS will be equals to angle POS is already given as x. So angle ROS will be equals to x by 2. So this is equation number 2. Here we can write angle ROS is equals to angle POR. It is given to us. Similarly for here, this plus this will be the complete angle QOS. So now we can write angle TOS plus angle QOT. This will be equals to angle QOS. This angle plus this angle will be equals to this complete angle. Now angle TOS and angle TOQ both are equal. So angle TOS plus angle TOS, QOT can be written as angle TOS because both are equal. So this is equals to angle QOS. Now QOS we have already got. So this is equals to 180 minus x. We can write using equation 1. So using equation 1 we got this. Now this is twice of angle TOS is equals to 180 degree minus x, or angle TOS will be equals to 90 minus x by 2. Now this complete angle ROT, so angle ROT is equals to angle SOR or angle ROS plus angle TOS plus angle TOS. So angle ROT is equals to angle ROS. We have already got angle ROS. This is x by 2 plus angle TOS. TOS, this is 90 minus x by 2. So x by 2 cancels. Therefore angle ROT is equals to 90 degree. So we got angle ROT as 90 degree. Now coming to question number 1 for exercise 6.1. So in figure 6.13, line AB and CD intersect at O, and if angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree and BOD is equals to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex COE. So first of all we will make this figure. So this point is C and this is A, this point is O, and from here this point is E, and this is B, and this is D. So angle BOD, this angle is already given to us. This is 40 degree. So in the figure it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE, this is equals to 70 degree. This is given to us, means angle AOC plus BOE, sum of these two angles is given to us. This is equals to 70 degree. So we can easily find out another angle. So this is a linear pair now. This is a linear pair, straight line. So now we can write angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE will be equals to 180 degree. So this is linear pair. So angle AOC and angle BOE, this is already given 70 degree. So this will be 70 degree plus angle COE will be equals to 180 degree, or angle COE will be equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree. अभी इन तीनों एंगल्स का सम कितना होगा 180 डिग्री, उसमें ये और ये एंगल का सम ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है 70 डिग्री. नाउ वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट दिस एंगल. सो COE इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल COE, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 110 डिग्री. सो वी गॉट एंगल COE. And now we need to calculate angle BOE. So BOE need to be calculated now. Now here, from here, this is the complete now linear pair. Or otherwise also see, now BOD and AOC, these are the vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. These are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And it is already given that angle AOC plus angle BOE, this is equals to 70 degree. And this we can write as 40 degree because this is already given as 40 degree. So angle AOC, now this is 40 degree. So we can write 40 degree plus angle BOE, this is equals to 70 degree. So angle BOE will be equals to 70 degree minus 40 degree. So we got angle BOE as 30 degree. So angle BOE भी आ गया 30 degree. Now we need to find out reflex COE. So reflex COE क्या होता है? reflex angle देखिए, इनकेस अगर मैंने ये एक एंगल बनाया हुआ है, ये तो इंटरनल एंगल हो गया, इसके बाहर वाला जितना भी ये एंगल होगा दैट विल कॉल एज द रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. बाहर वाला जितना भी होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. सो कंप्लीट एंगल कितना होता है? 360 डिग्री. उस 360 डिग्री में से अगर ये वाला एंगल हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो रिमेनिंग विल बी द रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. सो अभी हमें रिफ्लेक्स COE निकालना है. सो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE, दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 360 degree minus angle COE. So this is 110 degree. So reflex angle COE will be equals to 250 degree. So these are the values for the first question. So coming to question number 2. In figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree and the ratio of A and B angles is 2:3, we need to find out angle C. So first of all, we'll make the figure given for this question. This is perpendicular. This is point P and O, and from here there is an intersecting line. So this is now N. And this is Y, this is X, and this point is O. This is perpendicular, so this will be 90 degree. And this angle is C, this is A, and this angle is B, and this point is M. So these are the information given to us. Angle POY is equals to 90 degree. This is given to us. Now this complete angle will be the linear pair. This complete angle will be 180 degree linear pair. So for this, अभी ये 90 डिग्री ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ, तो रिमेनिंग ये वाला एंगल कितना होगा? ये भी 90 डिग्री होगा. सो नाउ वी कैन राइट, so ratio of these two angles A and B is given to us. A and B is 2:3. So we can write let the angle is X. So angle B is equals to B is 3x and angle A is 2x. So now angle A plus angle B plus angle POY, this will be equals to 180 degree linear pair. This will be linear pair 180 degree, means this complete angle B plus A plus this angle POY. So angle A we already known, this is 2x plus angle B 3x plus angle POY, this is already given as 90 degree. So this will be equals to 180 degree. So 5x will be equals to 90 degree, or simply x is 18 degree. So we got the value of x. So therefore angle A is equals to, this is 2x, so this is 2 into 18, so this is equals to 36 degree. So we got angle A as 36 degree. Similarly angle B will be equals to 3x, so this is 3 into 18, so this is now 54 degree. So we got angle B also as 54 degree. Now we need to find out angle C. Now see that B and C, they are the linear pairs. B and C, now see B and C, they are the linear pairs. Now I can write angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So this is linear pair. Angle B is already known 54, so I can write 54 plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle C equals to 180 degree minus 54. So angle C comes out to be, this will be 126 degree. So we got all the angles. Now coming to question number 3. In figure 6.15, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So figure is already given to us. So this is P, Q, from here this is S, and this is R, and this is T. So these two angles, this and this angle, they are equal, already given to us. So angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Now this is given to us. We need to prove that angle PQS, this angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So we need to prove these two angles. So angle PQR plus angle PQS will be equals to 180 degree. So this is linear pair. This angle plus this angle will be equals to 180 degree, linear pair. Similarly from another section also. So these two angles will be linear pair, and from here also these two angles will be linear pairs. So this we are taking as equation number 1. Similarly from another equation, angle PRQ plus angle PRT will be equals to 180 degree. This is also a linear pair. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, right hand side are equal. So left hand side will also be equal. So I can write angle PQR plus angle PQS will be equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Now see that angle PQR and PRQ both are equal. So I can write angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to angle, this is PRQ. So PRQ is equals to PQR. So I can write this as PQR plus angle PRT. I can write the region, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Now angle PQR got cancelled. So this is angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So PQS is equals to PRT. This is proved. So simply we will follow the linear pair method. Now coming to question number 4th. In figure 6.16, if x plus y is equals to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So first of all we will draw this figure. This is given. This point is B and this point is A and this is O here. Now this is one of the line and this is going. So this is point D, O, and this angle is W, this angle is Y, and this point is C, this angle is X, and this small angle is Z. Now we need to prove that AOB, this is a line. So स्ट्रेट लाइन कब आएगी? जब सारे एंगल्स क्या होंगे 180 डिग्री. अभी हमने सपोज अगर इसको बोला हुआ स्ट्रेट लाइन, सो इसके किसी भी पॉइंट पे ये एंगल कितना होगा 180 डिग्री. सो अभी अगर हम ये वाला एंगल इधर का और इधर का कोई भी एक एंगल को अगर हम 180 डिग्री प्रूव कर देते हैं, सो देन इट विल बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सपोज आई हैव टेकन दिस. सो अगर हम इस एंगल को 180 डिग्री प्रूव कर देते हैं तो अभी क्या आएगा स्ट्रेट लाइन. Now it is already given that x plus y is equals to w plus z. This is given to us. Now angle x or simply we can write x plus y plus w plus z, this is equals to 360 डिग्री, बिकॉज कंप्लीट एक एंगल बना रहे, कंप्लीट एंगल कितना होगा 360 डिग्री. नाउ x plus y, this is already given w plus z, so in place of x plus y I can write w plus z. So this is w plus z plus w plus z, this is equals to 360 degree. So this is twice of w plus z is equals to 360 degree, or simply w plus z will be equals to 180 degree. So we are getting w plus z is 180 degree. So therefore AOB is a straight line. Is a straight line. This is proved. Now coming to question number 5th. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. So OS is not the angle bisector, it is simply a ray between OP and OR. Now we need to prove that angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So first of all we will make this figure. This is the perpendicular line given. This point is P and this is Q. This is perpendicular at O, and this is one of the line. This is S, and this is R. Now we need to prove that angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This we need to prove. Now see that here angle QOS is given. QOS. So this is angle QOS, and second one is angle POS. POS and angle ROS. So from here now see that this sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. So I can write angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle QOR plus angle QOR. This will be equals to 180 degree linear pair. So angle this plus this plus this, complete angle will be 180 degree linear pair. Now see that angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle QOR is already given 90 degree, so this will be equals to 180 degree. So angle POS plus angle ROS, this will be equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So we got angle POS plus angle ROS as 90 degree, or simply I can find angle ROS is equals to 90 degree minus angle POS. Take it as equation number 1. So we got angle ROS in this term. Now we need to find out angle QOS. So angle QOS. So angle QOS, this is given as this complete angle. This complete angle is angle QOS. So this is equals to angle ROS plus angle QOR. So this is equals to angle ROS plus angle QOR. So angle QOS is equals to angle ROS. Now ROS as it is plus angle QOR. Now QOR, this is 90 degree already given, so we'll put 90 degree over here. So angle ROS, from here angle ROS will be equals to angle QOS minus 90 degree. ये इधर जाएगा क्या हो गया 90 degree. Now this is equation number 2. Now we can add equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and equation 2, so this is angle ROS plus angle ROS, this is equals to 90 minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90 degree. So this 90 negative, 90 positive cancelled. So this is now twice of angle ROS is equals to, so twice of angle ROS, this is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. So we can find angle ROS is equals to 2 से भी इधर जाके क्या होगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा पूरे में. So this is angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is the relation we got. So this is now proved. ध्यान रखिए, ये एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ये ऑलमोस्ट हमेशा एग्जाम में आता है. Now coming to question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. So first of all, we will make an angle. This is angle XYZ as 64 degree. Suppose this is now XYZ. So this point is X, this is Y and this is Z. So this angle I have formed, this is a 64 degree. So if XY is produced to P, इसी XY को भी हमने क्या किया हुआ, P तक प्रोड्यूस कर दिया. This is point P and YQ bisects angle ZYP. ZYP को YQ. So this is point Q. Now YQ bisects this angle. So this part will be equals to this part because YQ is the angle bisector of this. Now we need to find out angle XYQ. So we need to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So these angles we need to find out. So now see that this is a straight line, this XYP. So this is now a straight line. So for a straight line we know linear pair. So I can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP. This is equals to 180 degree. This is linear pair. Angle XYZ, this is 64 degree plus angle ZYQ as it is plus angle QYP. QYP I can write angle ZYQ. Angle ZYQ because both are equal. This is now equals to 180 degree. So these both are equal. Now I can write angle ZYQ is equals to angle. This is ZYQ is equals to angle QYP. This is given. So twice of angle ZYQ will be equals to 180 degree minus 64 degree. So twice of angle ZYQ is equals to, now we can easily subtract from this. So this will be 116 or angle ZYQ will be equals to 116 by 2. So this will be 58 degree. So we got angle ZYQ as 58 degree. So ZYQ and Q by P both are equal. So therefore I can write angle QYP. So this is also equals to 58 degree. So we got angle QYP 58 degree and XYQ we need to find out now XYQ. So this is XYQ. So XYQ will be equals to, so angle XYQ this is equals to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So angle XYQ will be equals to angle XYZ, this is 64 degree plus 58 degree. So we got angle XYQ equals to, now this is, you can add up, XYQ will be equals to 122 degree. Now we need to find out the reflex Q by P. Now see that the reflex Q by P will be, this is angle QYP. So this is, we got 58 degree. So reflex will be this angle. So this will be the reflex angle, means 360 degree minus this angle. This is 58 degree. So now reflex angle QYP will be equals to 360 degree minus angle QYP. So reflex angle QYP will be equals to 360 degree minus 58. So reflex angle QYP is equals to 302 degree. So we got all of our answers. So this way we have completed our exercise 6.1. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.